Right, hello guys, good evening. It's good to come your way again this week. And Snaply will be taking off from where we stopped last week. So last week we were trying to make emphasis onto understanding how we need to find a niche and why we need to find a niche in music when we want to take up music professionally, even more as a career. And also we try to make a point that we don't make that choice out of what trends per time, but we should make that choice out of what our natural ability or what we have a strength for. So today we'll be taking a step further from that, try to create another important point that I call identity. And well, it's my terminology, but I'll try to explain so that we understand what I mean by that. So in music, beyond the sound of the voice, beyond well, the personality, there's this identity that is somewhat like in the subconscious kind of, and this is how it operates. For example, now, I think one morning I and Daniel were in a radio together, and just got some kind of inspiration, and then I sang a song. And immediately Daniel asked me, "Hey, Joe, is that the Travis Green song? I never heard that before." I was like, "No, it's not." Because why? Not that I didn't sound just like him, but like it was his kind of song, the kind of lyrics, the kind of voice, the kind of most of the progression. So you see that there's this sort of identity attached to everyone. So if we need to do music professionally, I would advise every young person to try to create an environment, a niche of your own, where again your natural ability and strength can strive. So don't be. I appreciate versatility. That is fine. It's good that sometimes it's good that we spice things up with different aspect and fare of music. But sometimes for you to get out there and be appreciated, you have to be known for something. You have to be known for this. It's the identity that you had created all for yourself. So I think that is really important. So in the place of finding that identity, I would suggest that every young musician, you identify what kind of music you can do. Again, referring to our last week's study. So today, our whole idea is the identity. Have a unique identity. It might not be trying to duplicate or create from what already exists. Well, there's nothing that really doesn't exist yet. All exists around. So we can always still find our uniqueness in all of the multi versatility of what we have and what people have done over time, centuries past. So we can find that unique point about us and make it the outstanding. And that is the identity that people will know you for and can always recognize you for. And I know, like in the music and in the gospel music, we have such things. People like Mali, we have Jonathan Renault, we have Travis, like I just mentioned, has a uniqueness in the way he sounds and all of that. And each one, Travis Rebirth, we have Jonathan Nelson, J Mons, J Mons, I miss that guy. And all of that. So hold it here for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. It's still me, Ashil. So it was nice being with you. Thank you. Study. So today, our whole idea is the identity. Have a unique identity. It might not be trying to duplicate or create from what already exists. Well, there's nothing that really doesn't exist yet. All exists around. So we can always still find our uniqueness in all of the multi versatility of what we have and what people have done over time, centuries past. So we can find that unique point about us and make it the outstanding. And that is the identity that people will know you for and can always recognize you for. And I know, like in the music and in the gospel music, we have such things. People like Mali, we We have Jonathan Recruitment to heavy. Travis, like I just mentioned, has a uniqueness in the way he sounds and all of that. And Kitchen One, Trash Rebirth, we have Jonathan Nelson, J Mons, J Mons, I miss that guy. And all of that. So, hold it here for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. It's still me, Ashil. So, it was nice being with you. Thank you.